Hello students. So in today's class we are going to see about the oxo acids of phosphorus. Very important topic for JEE Main and NEET competitive exam. The structure of, even for theory also, the structures of oxo acids of phosphorus are very important. Okay. So see here, the oxo acids of phosphorus are of two types. First is phosphorus acid and second is phosphoric acid. In phosphorus acid, okay, first we will see about the H3PO3. Okay, H3PO3. The name of this acid is phosphorus acid. What is its name? Phosphorus acid. Phosphorus acid. Okay, so remember, whenever we are drawing the structures of oxo acids of phosphorus, so in that structure the P double bond O, this will be compulsory, and one POH bond, these two things will be compulsory. Oxo acids, in oxo acids P double bond O and POH bond, these two bonds will be compulsory. Okay, so this point you have to remember it. Now come to point here, H3PO3. How can we draw this H3PO3? As I said, here we should have a compulsory P double bond O, one bond here. Then OH bond, it is compulsory, one OH bond. Okay. So next we have H3PO3. Remains what here? One OH here and H here. Okay. So this is the H3PO3 structure. It is P double bond O, OH. This will be compulsory, and OH and H here because it is H3PO3. So 3 hydrogens and 3 oxygens here. So this phosphorus acid, the central atom phosphorus, the oxidation state of this one, it is +3. Okay, and here in these structures we have 2 POH bond and 1 PH bond we have here. So this OH bond, it describes the basicity of acid. This OH, how many OH bonds are there? These OH bonds, POH bonds, describes the basicity of acid. Okay, and this hydrogen pH bond, this pH bond, they describe about the reducing property of acid. Reducing property of acid. Okay, so this OH bond, basicity of acid means the number of H plus ions replaced by an acid here. So when this acid dissolved in water here, this OH minus it dissociate and gives here H plus ions here. But this pH bond is a strong bond, so this bond does not break and does not ionizes here, and this H not releases. Okay, so which H is releases? This OH bond, this H is releases here. So how many OH bonds will be there? That many will be its basicity here. Okay, so that's why the number of POH bond describe about the basicity of acid, and number of pH bond describe about the reducing property of acid here. And the structure of this all oxo acids are tetrahedral. What the shape will be here? Tetrahedral here. Okay. So these all points are important here. So how many OH bonds are there? That will be its basicity. And here how many pH bonds are there? That gives the reducing property of an acid here. Okay. Now see here. This is what is its name? This phosphorus acid here. Phosphorus acid, the structure, this is P double bond O, OH. Here OH we have and here H we have here. So what is this basicity? This basicity of this acid is 2 here. Okay, so 2 OH bonds we have here. So this H will be replaced here. So that's why the basicity of this acid is what here? 2 here. How many POH bond we have here? POH bonds here, in this case we have 2. How many pH bond we have here? 1 we have here. So each point they can make a one bit here. One objective exams in NEET and JEE Mains, they can ask in phosphorus acids how many POH bond are there, how many pH bonds are there, what is the basicity of this phosphorus acid. Okay, so these all points they depends on the structures. So you should know how to draw the structure here. Very easy only here. So just you have to draw P double bond O and OH. It is compulsory. And how many hydrogens and oxygen remains? So just you have to add here. So 3 oxygen and 3 hydrogens we have here. So this 3 oxygen, 1 oxygen double bond O and 2 oxygen OH we have, and 1 hydrogen will remain here. Okay, clear it this one. This is phosphorus acid, OUS acid it is. Okay, next we have here in this way, in this H3PO3, if we subtract minus oxygen, 1 oxygen reduce here, 1 oxygen H3PO3, from this H3PO3 if we reduce the 1 oxygen, what will be the formula here? The formula will be H3PO2. H3PO2. This is called hypophosphorus acid. What it is called? Hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid. 1 oxygen reduced. Okay, so hypophosphorus acid, what will be the structure here? P double bond O. Okay, here we have OH, hypo H3PO2, 2 oxygen over, this will be compulsory only here. Now what remains here? 2 hydrogens remain here. These 2 hydrogens just we have to add with this pH bond here. So here we have 2 pH bond and 1 pOH bond. pOH bond, how many we have here? 1. P double bond O bond, 1 here. And pH bond, how many we have here? 2 here. What is the basicity of this acid? What is the basicity of this acid? Basicity will be 1 here, because we have 1 OH bond only here. So basicity will be what here? 1 here. Okay. And oxidation number of this acid here, that also you should know it. What is the oxidation state? So we can calculate here oxidation state here as it is here. This is 3. This will be X plus 2 oxygens are there. So it is minus 1 oxygen minus 2. So it is 4 is equal to 0 here. So X minus 1 is equal to 0. So X will be plus 1. So what is the oxidation state? Plus 1. So you can calculate the oxidation state. You can calculate the oxidation state here. Okay? Like this way. So oxidation state here, what we have here? Plus 1 we have here. In this number of pOH bond 1 we have. So basicity is 1 here. And P double bond O 1 we have here. And here pH bond is how many? 2 we have here. So see here, in all oxo acids of phosphorus, this hypophosphorus acid has the maximum pH bonds here. 2 pH bonds are present in hypophosphorus acid. That's why it is a best reducing agent among these all oxo acids. This hypophosphorus acid has the maximum pH bond here, 2 pH bonds. Okay, so it is a good reducing agent here. Now next, if you here, now this is phosphorus acid. This is what? Hypophosphorus acid. 1 minus O you have to do here. 1 oxygen reduced. Then we will get here H3PO2 here. Okay. Now here, if this phosphorus acid, if we will add 1 more phosphorus acid here. If we will add 1 more phosphorus acid, then what do we get here? See here, if I am writing here OH, here also OH and H here. 2 phosphorus acid, if we are adding and remove the water molecule. When we remove the water molecule, then we will get here pyrophosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus acid. H3PO3, H3PO3. Then what you have to do? Minus H2O. So what we will get here? That is 2H3PO3 minus H2O. We will get what here? If we remove only water molecule here. So we will get here 2 3s are 6 hydrogen we have here. So by 2 hydrogen less here. Then it is what? 4. H4P2, 3 2s are 6. 1 oxygen less here. So it is what? 5 here. H4P2O5. The formula will be what? H4P2O5. This H4P2O5, it is what? Pyrophosphorus acid. Okay. So H4P2O5 means it is pyrophosphorus acid. So you will draw the structure like this way. P double bond O, here we have H, then OH, then one oxygen we have here, then P double bond O, here OH and here H. Okay, clear it this one? So this is pyrophosphorus acid. In pyrophosphorus means here it is the combination of 2H3PO3 here, and you will get here pyrophosphorus acid. In pyrophosphorus acid, if you see the bonds here, how many, what is the oxidation state first here for phosphorus here? The oxidation state will be +3. If you calculate, you will get the +3 oxidation state here. Okay, and number of OH bonds how many? In this case, P double bond O how many are there? That they can ask here. That is 2 here. Okay. Pyro. Remember word. Pyro means it will be a combination of H3PO3 here. Okay. So P double bond O, how many we have here bonds? Here we have 2. Then we have how many POH bond we have here? POH bond is 2 we have here, and PH bond how many we have here? 2 we have here. Okay. And one we have POP bond. One is what? This is POP bond we have here. So they can ask the question, how many POP bonds are there? How many P double bond O bonds? How many POH? How many PH bonds are there? So, and what is the basicity of this pyrophosphorus acid? So basicity of pyrophosphorus acid is 2 here, because we have 2 OH here. So the basicity will be what here? 2 here. Okay. So this is about the OUS acid. It is phosphorus acid. How many acids we have here? 3 acids are there. First is very easy. It is first we have to do the H3PO3 phosphorus acid here. Okay. In phosphorus acid we have the basicity is 2 and 2 POH we have and 1 PH bond we have here. Minus O, just remove one oxygen, then it will be H3PO2. H3PO3 minus O, then it is H3PO2. It is a hypophosphorus acid. In hypophosphorus acid, we have 1 POH, 1 P double bond O and 2 PH bonds are there here. And best reducing agent, this one also and this pyrophosphorus acid also. Here also we have 2 PH bond. So these both are what a good reducing agent here. Okay. And basicity here we have 2, but oxidation state here it is different. It is here +1 we have and here we have +3 here. Okay. So now next we have here phosphoric acid. Next we will see what here, phosphoric acid. In phosphoric acid the same we have. First we will see the phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid, or it is also called orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid. The formula is H3PO4. This one you have to keep in mind. H3PO4 it is. The structure now. P double bond O we have. This is OH. This will be compulsory. Now it is oxygen 4 we have, hydrogen 3 we have. So we will have here 3 OH bonds here. Okay. So this is H3PO4 structure. So the tetrahedral only here. Now how many P double bond O bond we have here? 1. How many we have here? 1. How many POH bonds? 3. So that means basicity is what here? 3. Here basicity is 3 here. Okay. And then pH bonds do we have here? No, 0. Okay, no pH bond here in this structure here. So phosphoric acid, H3PO4. So remember H3PO3 means it is OUS. PO3 means it is what? OUS it is. And phosphoric means here H3PO4. One oxygen increase, then it is IC. IC it will be. The acid name will be what? IC here. This is OUS, phosphorus. And PO4, one oxygen increases, then phosphoric acid here. In this H3PO2, one oxygen reduces, then it is what? Hypophosphorus. What it is? Hypophosphorus. Okay. So one oxygen reduced, it is hypophosphorus, and two H3PO3 mixed means it is pyro. What it is? That is called pyrophosphorus acid. It is. So H3PO4, this is the structure. In this we have one P double bond O bond and 3 BOH bond and no PH bond here. So basicity is what here? 3 here. Okay. Now in this phosphoric acid, if we remove the water molecule, if we remove what here? Water molecule, means what here? One OH and H. If we remove, then what we will get here? We are removing H2O. So H2O means we will get here HPO3. We are getting HPO3. What is its name? This is called metaphosphoric acid. Can you see this one? This side. So this is HPO3. We will get, and its name is metaphosphoric acid. Metaphosphoric acid. Metaphosphoric acid, HPO3. Now how we can draw the structure? The structure will be, this is P double bond O, OH. This will be compulsory. Now it is what? HPO3 it is. 2 oxygen over, 1 hydrogen over. 1 remains what here? Oxygen. So this oxygen will be here it is. Okay. So this is the structure of HPO3. In this HPO3, how many P double bond O we have here? 1. Okay. How many POH bond we have here? 1 here. Is there any pH bond here? No. 0 it is. Okay. And what is the oxidation state here of phosphorus here? HPO3 we have. This is +1. This is X. Okay. 1 plus X minus 3 to the 6 it is equal to 0. So it is X minus 5 we have here. And so X will be what? +5. So oxidation state it is what here? +5. Even in this also the oxidation state will be +5. Here also the oxidation state will be +5 here. Okay. Metaphosphoric acid. In metaphosphoric acid the formula is HPO3. Phosphoric acid remove water molecule, then we will get HPO3. Okay. So we have here one OH bond only, POH bond 1, P double bond O bond 1. Okay, and there is no pH bond here. Basicity of this acid is what here? 1 here. 1 OH bond we have here. So the basicity is what here? 1. Here this is the basicity. It is how much here? 1 here. Okay, clear it this one. Now next we have here. If we add this to H3PO4, then what we will get here? Same like phosphorus acid. To H3PO3 if we add, we will get pyrophosphorus acid. Similarly, if we add here to H3PO4 and remove water molecule, we will get the pyrophosphoric acid here. Okay. So see here how we get here. This is P double bond O. OH we have, this is also OH and OH plus P double bond O, OH, OH and OH. So from this one we have to remove what here? Water molecule. This water molecule remove. So what we will get here? We will get here, this is how we can write it is 2H3PO4. From this one we are removing a water molecule. Then what will be our formula here? 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 2 4. Okay. So H4 P2 O. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 1 7. So H4 P2O7. H4 P2O7. It is the formula of pyrophosphoric acid. What is its name? Pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid here. Okay. So if we will see the structure, P double bond O, OH we have, this is OH, then we will get O here. Okay, again this P double bond O, and here we have OH, and here we have OH here. So this is the structure of this pyrophosphoric acid here. Okay. So in this pyrophosphoric acid, what will be the oxidation state? The oxidation state here will be +5 only. How many P double bond O bonds are there in this? What is its name? Pyrophosphoric acid. Okay. So P double bond we have 2 here. 1, 2 here. How many POP bond we have here? 1. How many POH bond we have here? 4. Okay. So the basicity is how much here? The basicity is 4 only here. Okay. So basicity is 4 only. And do we have here pH bond? No. There is no pH bond. So if you see the 3 structure here, there is no pH bond only here. Okay. So pH bonds are present in phosphorus acid. In which more are there? In hypophosphorus acid, H3PO2. In that 2 pH bonds are there, and then next we have H4P2O5, pyrophosphorus acid. There we have 2 pH bonds. But in oic acid, IC acid, orthophosphoric acid, or here we have beta phosphoric acid or pyrophosphoric acid. In this all these 3 acid, there is no pH bond. Okay, clear this one? So basicity and all, this is the trick to remember it is. How you will remember? First phosphoric acid H3PO4. In that remove water molecule. Then you will get HPO3 here. Okay. That is called metaphosphoric acid. Metaphosphoric acid POH bonds are 1 and P double bond O bond 1 and no pH bond here. Similarly, if you will mix these 2 orthophosphoric acid and remove water molecule, then we will get here H4P2O7. Okay. In this we have 4 POH bond here, so basicity is 4 here, and POP bond is 1, and P double bond O we have 2 here, and we know pH bond in this one. Now in this only, this structure we have here. What is this one? H4P2O7. If I remove one oxygen, what will be the formula? The formula will be H4P2O6. H4P2O6. What is its name? The name is hypophosphoric acid. One oxygen we are removing, so the name it is hypophosphoric acid. Hypophosphoric acid it is. Okay. So hypophosphoric acid, the structure will be what here? This is P double bond O. Which oxygen you will remove? This oxygen remove from this one. Okay, remove that oxygen. So the structure will be P double bond O, OH. Here we will get PP bond here. So P double bond O, OH and OH. Okay. So in this we have how many OH bond here? Here we have POH bonds are 4 here, and PP bond we have here 1. P double bond O bond we have 2 here. Okay. P double bond O bond we have 2 here, and here we have PP bond 1 here, and there is no pH bond in this case also. What is the basicity here? Basicity is 4 only here. This is basicity. POH. How many POH are there? That is our basicity here. Okay, basicity is 4 here. So this is what called hypophosphoric acid. So see here, for orthophosphoric acid we have 4 acids. How many? 4 acids. Important it is. So first is H3PO4, orthophosphoric acid. And in this, if you remove the water molecule, then we will get HPO3 here. The name is metaphosphoric acid. And when this 2 phosphoric acid added, then we will get the formula H4P2O7. This is called pyrophosphoric acid. From this pyrophosphoric acid, remove one oxygen. Then we will get here hypophosphoric acid, that is H4P2O6. Okay, first we have H3PO4, then remove water molecule, we will get HPO3, and H3PO4 mix, remove water molecule, we will get H4P2O7, and one oxygen remove, H4P2O6, H3PO4, H4P2O7, H4P2O6 it is. So this is all about the oxo acids of phosphorus here, and this is very important structure. You have to remember how many double bonds or how many OH bonds are there, how many pH bonds are there here. Okay. Now here one trick I will tell you to remember the basicity of three acids here. In short, how can you remember here? See, this one we have H3PO4, H3PO3 and H3PO2. This is what? This is phosphoric acid, orthophosphoric acid. This is what? Phosphorus acid, and this is hypophosphorus acid. One oxygen less it is. Okay, 4 are there means it is IC acid, it is phosphoric acid. One oxygen less means it is OUS. This is IC, okay, phosphoric, okay, and this is what? Phosphorus, and this is what? Hypophosphorus. Okay, hypophosphorus. Now basicity directly if you want to find out means how many oxygens are there, just -1 to it. 4 minus 4 are there, -1, so 3 will be its basicity. Similarly here 3 oxygens are there, -1 to it, so 2 will be its basicity. Okay, 2 are there, so 2 minus 1 to it, so 1 will be its basicity. So this trick it is only for this 3 acid here, phosphoric acid, phosphorus acid and hypophosphorus acid. Okay, and here these 3 are very important here. Okay, clear this one? Now how they can ask the questions, that we will see now. So see the question here, how they can ask the question. So first is, in a molecule of pyrophosphoric acid, the number of POH, P double bond O and POP bonds are. This question asked in JEE Main 2020 it is. Okay, so just recently in 2020 JEE Main they have asked this question. So pyrophosphoric acid means it is a mixture of what here? 2 phosphoric acid and remove the water molecule. So how the structure, what will be here? H3PO3, if you keep in mind here, not remembering, 2H3PO3 minus H2O do it. We will get what here? 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 2 means H4P2O. 4, 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1 here what here? 5 here. H3PO4, sorry. So it is P7 it is. So structure just now we have drawn here, P double bond O, OH, OH, then O we have here, P double bond O, OH and OH. So in this, how many, what they have asked, how many P double bond we have here? So we have 2 here. So how many POH bond we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we have, P double bond we have 2 here, and how many POP bonds are there? So POP bond is 1 here. So the option B is the correct option, 4, 2, 1 here. Okay, so like this they can ask the question. So as I said, you have to remember it is how many P double bond O, how many POH bond, how many POP bonds are there, and what is the basicity of acid they can ask. So here see, next we have here basicity of orthophosphoric acid is orthophosphoric acid. The formula is this one only, H3PO4. So we can use here our trick here, H3PO4. This is orthophosphoric acid. 4 minus 1, 3. So the option B is the correct option here. Basicity only they have asked here. Okay. So next question, see here, which of the following oxo acids has the maximum number of hydrogens directly attached to phosphorus? Directly attached to phosphorus, maximum number of hydrogens directly attached to phosphorus, that is pH bond they have asked, maximum pH bonds is present in which oxo acids here? H4P2O7. Now you should memorize it is H4P2O7. This is a pyrophosphoric acid. As I said, phosphoric acid, they don't have pH bond only here. So this is cancelled. No, it is H3PO2. What is this one? H3PO3 phosphorus acid minus H3PO2 hypophosphorus acid. Here we have 2 OH bond here. Okay, and 2 pH bond we have here. H3PO3 phosphorus acid, 1 pH bond is there in this one. H3PO4 phosphoric acid, no pH bond only here. So what they are asking question? Oxo has the maximum number of hydrogen directly attached to phosphorus, that is H3PO2 it is. The option B is the correct option here. Here we have 2 pH bonds, hypophosphorus acid. Okay. Next we have here the pair that contains 2 pH bonds in each of the oxo acid is 2019 JMN question it is. So here we have pair H4P2O5. Remember this H3PO2 has the 2 pH bond and we have H4P2O5, that is pyrophosphorus acid. Which one? H4P2O5. How we are getting? By 2H3PO3. Here we are minus H2O if we get here. So 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 2 4. H4P2. So 2 3s are 6 here, 6 minus 1 5 here. Okay. So 2 phosphorus acid, when we are adding and removing water molecule, we are getting the pyrophosphorus acid H4P2O5. There we have got H4P2O5, we got 2 pH bonds and 4 pH bond we got there. Okay, pH bond is there. So that's why here also 2 pH bond we have, and H3PO2 also we have 2 pH bond here. So options given H4P2O5, H4P2O6. This one not. Okay, H3PO3 and H3PO2. No, it is. Okay, this is also wrong here. What question? The pair that contains 2 pH bond in each of the oxo acid. H3PO3, 1 pH bond is there. So this one not. H4P2O5 and H3PO3. This is also wrong. Here we have 2 pH bond, but here we have one only here. Last option, H3PO2 and H4P2O5. This is phosphorus acid and it is pyrophosphorus acid here. In both we have 2 pH bond. Okay, so the option D is the correct option here. So this is all about the oxo acids of phosphorus and how they can ask the questions here. I have given here. So practice well. Easy only it is. Phosphorus acid we have 3, that is phosphorus acid. Then we have hypophosphorus acid, and then we have here pyrophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid, what we have? H3PO2, 1 oxygen less only here, and pyro means H4P2O5. Okay, and so see here, extract of today's class is this one. Phosphorus acid formalize H3PO3. Okay, 1 oxygen reduced, then it is hypophosphorus acid H3PO2 it is. Okay, and when we combine these two, we will get H4P2O5. This is pyrophosphorus acid. P2 whenever is there, it is pyro it is. Okay, so pyrophosphorus acid H4P2O5. Next we have here H3PO4. O3 means OUS, O4 means oic acid is orthophosphoric acid. Spelling how it is orthophosphoric acid. Okay, and in this one water molecule remove, we will get HPO3. This is metaphosphoric acid, and here if we add these two, then we will get H4P2O7. Here H4P2O5 means pyrophosphorus acid. H4P2O7 means it is pyrophosphoric acid. 2 oxygen increase here. Here O5, here we have O7 here. And this O7, 1 oxygen reduced, then we will get H4P2O6. This is what? Hypophosphoric acid. Here we have POP bond here, and here we will have PP bond here. And in this odd phosphoric acid, there is no pH bond we have here. Okay, so this is all about the oxo acids of phosphorus. Study well. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my videos, please put the like button, okay, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.